So good day. It is a beautiful afternoon on a Saturday, and I'm doing a little self-isolation out in the middle of nowhere, sitting on a rock up high and waiting for birds to fly by to photograph them and to take video of them. One of probably the main ones I'm hoping for are bald eagles. As I was walking here, one flew over my head and it was just circling around. And once I got up to this rock that I'm on right now, as you can see, let me turn you around here. I look up in the air and there's a whole bunch of ravens, but within those ravens is a bald eagle, a young bald eagle. He just looked too big, but he was black, so he's an immature one. And I got a few pics. I'll show you those right now, but little too high. I only have a equivalent 350mm lens on my XT30 Fuji camera, and wow, screwing up all my words today. So I'm hoping to get some other birds in flight. There's lots of ravens and crows around here, and I'm pretty sure I just heard a sandhill crane. So maybe I'll luck out and I'll see them flying by, especially I have a big marsh here. So it looks like I just had a harrier flying through the marsh here, and then I looked up and I thought, oh, a crow or a raven, and then it's like it had some white on him. So it might have been a harrier. I got a few pics. I'll show you those now. Once again, probably still too far to really tell, and I got a little bit of video. Might be a little shaky, but I'll share it with you anyway. And but I think that's a northern harrier. And it would be roughly the right time that they'd be coming back up here. So, interesting. Hopefully I'll get some better quality pics and video of him. That'd be nice. Still waiting for those eagles to come back. Well, it's 5 o'clock, and so I've been here about 5 hours, and the highlights were really at the beginning. I saw those two different eagles, and I only captured one, and he was above me but really high. And then I did luck out and see some northern harriers. Well, besides that, I've been listening to the blackbirds down here and the ravens and crows going by. Saw a little squirrel jump in front of me. But that's been about it. And if you look out that way now, it's getting pretty dark. They were calling for showers. It's become a lot more overcast in the last hour. So I think it's time to call it a day. And it's always funny, you look, every bird you see, you go, oh, what is that? But it's just an old crow. So sorry I didn't get any great pics or video of the birds, but there's always next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.